Hi there. Today we're going to learn about how to change the cover image of a Wix blog post. So here I am in the All Sites dashboard. If you're wondering how to get here, if you are selecting a specific site, just click the All Sites button here on the upper left by the Wix logo. Just click on Go to All Sites. Once you're here, you can click on the website that you want to edit. I will go ahead and create a new site. So you can use AI to help you in creating your site. If you know how to use AI, just enter your specific prompt so that it will help you create the website. So I will just go ahead and sign up without it. So you can choose from the type of website you want to create. So since we're focusing on blog, this one gives options for different types of blogs. But we'll just go ahead and click on first option, put blog only. Oh, just wait for the website to load. And then will be sent to this dashboard right here. You can input the name of your site, your goals for the website so that Wix can help you tailoring your needs in creating the website. So just go ahead and skip this. You can also choose the Wix apps that you want, and we're set. Once we're here in the dashboard, we can just click on design site. And we can choose if you want to customize a template or generate a design with AI. So I'll just use a template. Then once you're here, you can choose from any templates that you want. I will go with this first template right here. We'll just wait for the template website to load. So now that it's done, we can click on, oh, it says if you want to use AI again. So I'll just close this. Then we will click on pages and menu. Then we will go ahead to the blog page, the website. Then once you're here, we are here on the blog page, the Wix website. We can just click on anywhere, and then we will click on manage posts. And then a dashboard will open so that we can manage our blog posts. Since we don't have a blog post yet, we can go ahead and create a new post. Then we can now start writing our specific blog post right here. But beside from that, we can also use a specific template for this. So for example, we can just click on more actions, and then we will click on create post from template. Then you can choose from the different templates that Wix has. So for example, I want to have a product review blog post, and use this template. And then usually the first image that is displayed on the website will be the featured image, or I mean the cover image of our blog post. In order to see that, you can just click on settings. Then this is the cover image. It is the feature image as well. So if you want to change this, you can just remove this cover image, and you can click on update, and then it's either You want to choose a picture from Wix, or you can upload your own image file as well. For example, I have this image file on my computer. Then after it uploads, we can go ahead and add it to the page. And as you can see, the cover image has now updated, even though the actual image is not present on the blog post. But if you want to add that image, you can just go ahead and input it. So we can just click on add and then we'll add the image. And then we can also add the image file that we just uploaded. And it's now present on our blog post. And then that is it for changing the cover image of a Wix blog post. Thank you for watching.